Knit two together is probably the most common knitting decrease. It decreases your work by 1 stitch, and it's done exactly like a regular knit stitch, except that you work 2 stitches at the same time. So I'm going to show it to you Continental style first, and then I'll show it to you English style. So instead of going into 1 stitch to knit like you normally would, let's get that tail out of the way, you work into 2 stitches. So I'm going to go under the 2nd stitch down and through both of those top 2 stitches at the same time, and then knit like normal, knitting those 2 stitches together. Now I'll show it to you English style. So go under the 2nd stitch and up through the first 2 stitches together, then knit them together like normal. So we're just pretending like those 2 stitches are one, bringing the yarn through and knitting them together. The knit 2 together creates a right leaning increase. So on this swatch, I have knit 2 together on this side and slip slip knit on this side. They're often used together to create symmetrical shaping because the knit 2 together leans to the right and the slip slip knit leans to the left. Now if we look at the knit 2 together stitch, you can see here, I've done it right here, and you can see there's 1 stitch there and there's another stitch there that are coming together in that 1 stitch, and what makes it lean to the right is the fact that the stitch on the left is in front, and of course the 1 stitch pulling them together is making that stitch lean to the right, which is what causes it to be a right leaning increase.